Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Bmo app review to see with what you're using. So let's get started. The Bmo app gives customer secure access to their account, allowing them to check balance, view transaction history, transfer funds, deposit check, pay bills, and send money with Zelle. It also supports credit card and mortgage management, biometric login, and spending insights through the budgeting tools. The app is also available on both iOS and Android, with features like mobile wallet integration and ATM access for smartphones for added convenience. However, the app does have some drawback, with user reporting login glitches, freezing after update, and occasional navigation issue. Customer support response within the app can be slow, and some customer notes delay with the mobile check deposit. So in my conclusion, the app still worth using if you are a Bmo customer who wants a feature-rich, secure mobile banking with useful tools for everyday money management, everyday money management. But the app is not ideal, so if you expect flawless performance and fast support from the app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.